Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, June 16th. I'm Managing Director Mike Dehelig. COVID case counts are coming down slightly, but remain high. Kauai's 7-day average over the past week was 57 cases a day, and that's down from 65 last week and 71 the week before. The actual number of cases is much higher since home tests are typically not reported to DOH. Statewide, the 7-day average count is now approximately 1,000, down from about 20% from the past 2 weeks. Kauai's test positivity rate is 22%, down from the 25% last week, and statewide, the test positivity rate is just under 19%. The Kauai District Health Office is reporting yet another COVID fatality this week in a male resident in his 80s who was hospitalized. Our deepest condolences go out to his ohana and his friends. For more, we welcome back Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berriman. Dr. B.
Thanks, Mike. We continue to see high case counts, especially in our long-term care facilities. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention currently lists Kauai as a high transmission area. While we're in high transmission, we recommend wearing a mask indoors in public and in crowded outdoor spaces, staying up to date on COVID vaccines and boosters, and getting tested if you have symptoms. Please stay home if you're sick. Do not go to work, school, or social events. If you've been exposed to someone who tested positive for COVID, please get tested immediately. If you test negative, test again in 3 to 5 days, even if you're not showing any symptoms. Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall Testing Center is still offering free rapid PCR testing every weekday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Just walk in anytime they're open for a free test. They'll be closed on July 4th. Starting June 27th, the county's mobile testing van will shift to a Monday through Friday schedule. While the days of service are changing, the mobile testing van will continue to serve all locations. Saturday testing at the Hanalei Neighborhood Center will move to Mondays, and Sunday testing at the Kapa'a Brian J. Baptista Sports Complex will move to Tuesdays. The mobile van will not be available on June 25th and June 26th prior to the new weekday schedule. The full schedule is posted at kauai.gov/COVID-test. If you do test positive, there are effective COVID treatments available by prescription for high-risk individuals. They must be taken soon after the start of illness. Contact your healthcare provider as soon as possible to determine whether you are a candidate for treatment. The best protection against severe COVID is vaccination. If you are eligible for a booster, please make an appointment today, especially if you are at high risk due to age or an underlying medical condition. The Department of Health and vaccine partners are preparing to receive and distribute the first shipments of vaccines for young children after an FDA advisory panel this week unanimously recommended vaccines from Moderna for children under 6 and Pfizer for children under 5. Once the FDA issues an emergency use authorization and the CDC provides recommendations on each vaccine's use in this age group, these vaccines will become available. On Kauai, vaccines for this age group will be administered by our hospital partners, Wilcox Medical Center, Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital and Samuel Mahelona Medical Center, Ho'ololahui Clinics, and Kaiserlihui. If approved, all Americans over the age of 6 months will be eligible to get vaccinated, a major milestone in protecting our community from this disease. More information about availability of vaccines for young children will be provided as it's available. For updates and locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine.
Thanks, Dr. B. Tropic Care Kauai continues through June 20th. Clinics are open with services at no cost, including physical exams for kids in sports or entering 7th grade, eye exams, and dental services. Medical services can include whatever fits your needs. That may be a general checkup, reviewing your medications, seeing a physical therapist, or consulting about a specific concern. Behavioral health specialists are available to talk about concerns as well. All examinations are done by experienced professional clinicians. You can get medical and eye services while you wait for your dental exam. Don't worry, you won't lose your place in line. For dental services, please come early. Remember, no ID or no insurance is needed. Tropic Care services will be available daily at LA Elementary School, Kauai Community College, and Kapa'a Middle School. All mobile clinics at Waimea Easter Seals will also be available on June 17th, 18th, and 20th, but it will not be open on Sunday, June 19th. Clinics will be open daily from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., except on June 19th and 20th, as clinics will close at noon on those 2 days. It is recommended that attendees bring water, snacks, eyeglasses, and a list of current prescriptions. The Kauai bus fixed route services, including paratransit, will be free of charge through Monday. For more information and to view a full schedule of clinics, please visit health.hawaii.gov/Kauai. The last couple of years have been hard for our community. Tropic Care is an opportunity to take care of your personal health as a part of our road to recovery. Masks are required in all patient care areas, and troops have all been tested for COVID. Free summer lunches are available for children weekdays at Kapa'a Elementary, King Kaumali'i Elementary, and Keikaha Elementary. All Kauai children can go. No need to be enrolled at the participating school to get lunch this summer. At Kapa'a Elementary, free lunches are now available through July 1st, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. King Kaumali'i is open through June 30th, Monday through Friday from 11 to noon, and at Keikaha Elementary, free lunch will be served through July 15th, Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. They will be closed on July 4th. If you have questions, please call the school directly. The free meals are provided by the U.S. Department of Agriculture through the State of Hawaii Department of Education. Registration is now open for the 2022 Drug Summit, which will be held on Wednesday, June 29th from 7:45 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at the Kauai Beach Resort Jasmine Ballroom. The Drug Summit is a collaboration of professionals from law enforcement to prevention and treatment providers and serves as an opportunity for networking and continuing education. A broad range of topics will be covered, including discussions on drug crimes, suicide warning signs and prevention, homelessness, underage drinking, current drug trends, and more. The summit is free and lunch will be provided. So to register for the 2022 Drug Summit, visit kauai.gov/Life's Choices Kauai. The deadline to register is Monday, June 27th at noon. Mahalo, Kauai.